We're really, really excited about what the future holds with machine learning, artificial intelligence. We think it's sort of one step beyond just artificial intelligence to what we call cognition and cognitive computing. The reason for that is we want to help people make decisions. We don't want to replace people. That's not universally shared. Some companies are working on solutions to try and replace us, but we sort of foundationally believe that it's about helping people make better decisions. And so, we're working at this problem by industry. And in the marketing industry, last year we launched Watson Ads, the first, artificially intelligent cognitive advertising that had ever been done. It lets people interact and have one-on-one conversations with Watson, and it learns in that interaction. And then two, this year we're launching what we call the cognitive media platform. So that's essentially the ability to take Watson, deploy it in your own environment, in your own brand, your own company, and use the tools and capabilities we've built to run, whether it's media, marketing, communications analysis. You can do all kinds of things. You bring your data set, we bring our data set, we bring this artificially intelligent cognitive capability, and together we're helping people make better decisions and personalized content across all screens, all devices.
So could you explain a little bit about the differentiation? Because people talk about cloud computing and decisioning, and we hear what Oracle is doing and what Adobe is doing, and there's a lot of clouds, if you will,
sure.
and sometimes we get lost in the jargon, but tell us a little about what your offering is.
Yeah, so I think there's really three things that make us different to everybody else. So the first is scale, right? So there's only a few companies that have kind of scale that we do, but we do 40 billion forecasts every day. We do, that turns into about 44 petabytes of data that we collect every day, and we do that at 2 billion locations around the world every day, and that's just weather, right? But you need scale of data in order to make these systems really good. To have the answers you're looking for, you have to have real scale, and so we've got that scale. It's a huge differentiator, but others have that too, right? Google, Facebook have that scale, Microsoft, but we have that scale. The second is this cognitive capability, this ability to understand with natural voice interaction and to learn and to access all kinds of data. So structured data, just like a database, and unstructured data like tweets and Twitter. You can scan all of those, understand sentiment, understand intent, tie it to other structured and unstructured data sets to understand what your intentions are when you interact with natural language voice. So a great example is, do I need an umbrella on Saturday? What I really want to know is it going to rain on Saturday, right? But I didn't ask that. But the response from us is, there's an 80% chance it will rain on Saturday, so yes, you should probably take an umbrella. Because we understood that the math behind that, if you like, the algorithms behind that are actually really complex to answer that question when you ask it in a natural way.
Speaking to a room of marketers here, and one of the biggest ad agency, media agencies, what's their opportunity right now with you guys through the platform?
Yes, I think the opportunity for them is to sort of crawl, walk, run. Starts with Watson Ads, training their content. These brands are the experts in their category. We want them to help train Watson, and so that their experiences with those brands are really great. So that's sort of step one. Step two is around media. So the ability to run Watson Ads across our properties as well as across the rest of the internet and the app ecosystem. So we're expanding that off property so that anyone can use it at ESPN, Facebook.
How does that stand? Explain a little bit about the Watson Ads off of your own properties.
Yeah, so that's launching later this quarter, and so essentially our partners will be able to take Watson Ads, build their own creative, and deploy it on any sites, any apps they want to deploy it, and we're building all the tools and tooling to make that possible.
That's great. And finally, how do you see technology in the future of advertising and media? What's sort of the most important thing to watch right now?
So the advice I'd give brands and marketers is two things. One is keep every audio recording your company collects. Don't throw anything away if it's voice related. So your call center logs, keep them all. Those are the crown jewels to train artificial intelligence in the future and to understand people's intentions. So that's one. Step two is treat it just like another platform. Whether it's mobile or web or TV, your programming content, brands really matter. People want to work with people that they trust, and that's where brands come in, and it's no different with artificial intelligence and cognition.